Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with an unboxing of the Color Street Color Play. What month are we in? January subscription box, and I don't remember the name of this one. I'm all over the place today, a little under the weather, but I was able to spend time with my brother and his family and celebrate my niece Emily's birthday. So I was waiting and waiting for this box. It seems like because of the weird weather going on across the country, people are getting their boxes late, or some people got theirs like really quick, and I've been avoiding YouTube, avoiding Facebook, avoiding Instagram, so that I don't see spoilers for this box. But also, I got my Valentine's Day sets, so I wanted to unbox those with y'all too, because why not? But yeah, let's get started, huh? So, I want to say, if you haven't seen the January 2024 Color Play box and you want to be surprised, turn off this video, and you can come back later. For those that want to see it, and stay tuned. I'm going to do this one first because I wanted to see my Valentine's Day set. Oh, Comet Chaser, though, is not a Valentine's Day set. It is one of those galaxy glitter sets. And, ooh, I'm glad I ordered this one. I wasn't quite sure if I would like it or not, but I kept gravitating back at wanting to get it. And so I did end up getting this as part of the buy 3 get 1 free that Color Street has with the Valentine's Day sets. So now I have all of them except for there was a black one. I think it was called like Night Sky or Midnight Sky, or I'm not sure. I don't remember. I used to be so good at remembering the Color Street sets, but lately I've just been like, haven't been paying close attention, and that's okay. I'm not a stylist or anything like that, just a fan. So Sunset Serenade, this one is that one that looks almost like a painting. Yeah, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, the camera does not do it justice because there's this micro glitter that's so super sparkly, like diamonds. It looks like diamonds. I can't wait to wear that one. And it's not so Valentine's-y. I feel like you could wear that like in the spring or summer too. Bed of Roses. This one is the red jelly that I can't believe didn't make the top 5 of Valentine's Day. Like, this was the one I really, really wanted because you could wear it at any time. Although in the packaging, it doesn't look that spectacular, but I know it's a jelly, so it's gonna be somewhat sheer. And now that I have this, I really want to put this over Lacy Business so that I can make kind of like a Moulin Rouge dupe. So that's what I want to do with Bed of Roses. And then last but not least, Perfect Together, because this one's also a jelly and it's lavender and it's got hearts, and I really wanted that. So those were the 4 sets that I had gotten when they released the Valentine's Day. I wasn't really big on any of the other ones, although Skip a Beat, which was like a pink with hearts. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. That one I might end up getting, but I don't know, because it's so Valentine's-y that I was like, I don't know if it's worth it. I have Valentine's sets that I'm planning to use this year, so I didn't want something that was too Valentine's-y. Unless, of course, Color Street does some kind of sale, like another buy one get one, BOGO, then I would do it. Alright, but here we are, unboxing the January Color Street Color Play sub box. I have not seen anything on these yet, so I am hoping that I will like them. I don't know, we will find out, but all I know is I was waiting and waiting for this box, and it just arrived today when more than half the folks that are in the stylist that I subscribe the sub box from. Shannon, she has this Facebook like message group where all of us sub box subscribers are part of, and a lot of them already got their boxes. So one of the last ones. But I really wanted to see the unboxings that Shannon had done and Stacy Adams. Link below for their Facebook groups and YouTube channels if you're not already following them. But I wanted to see their videos, but I didn't want to do it before I got to unbox my box. So I'm finally here. It was quite the wait because the mail had come around like midday. And my brother and his family were still hanging out with us, and I was spending time with my niece Evelyn for her birthday, and so I waited like a good girl. I waited, but it was so hard. And then I was cooking dinner for my fam, so I didn't get a chance to do this unboxing until now, which is like way past like 8 p.m. Pacific time, but here we go. Alright, I'm gonna open this, and Forever Yours. Okay, I already see that, but I'm not going to look at the nails. We will look at that pamphlet at the end. We've got our nail prep pad as normal, along with the Color Street nail file. Very patriotic one. Alright, here we go. What is the free gift? Oh yeah! So, apparently the free gift... So whenever you subscribe to a Color Street Color Play box, they usually have like a free gift of some sort that comes in the box. But the other day, I think it was yesterday, I received a $10 gift card from Color Street, and I was like, what? Did anyone else get that? And folks in the message group were like, yeah, that's the free gift. And I was like, I didn't know. So I guess I did get a sneak peek of what was in the box, because, you know, I was told that that $10 gift card, which is good until the end of February, and this year's a leap year, so February 29th, 2024, I have until then to use that $10 gift card. So thanks Color Street, thanks Fall Park. $10 is decent amount. It'll cover my shipping, basically, almost, and tax maybe. But anyways, let's get to the nails, huh? Too much talking. Let's show the goods. Vanilla Romance. Ooh. That looks very much like it's gonna blend in with my skin tone. So if I want a really neutral nail, that's gonna do it. Oh, it's got such really teeny tiny micro glitter. Again, the camera does not do that justice. It'll be interesting to see what that looks like in nail phase for sure, because it's a beautiful color. I like that it's very neutral. It's almost like flesh color, so it doesn't lean too pink. Delicate Desire. Delicate Desire. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, it's the... What is that? That looks like Prism Effects glitter. Oh, and it's like an ombre type French tip. Oh, I like that. Ooh, I'm liking this so far. Yes, it's very neutral, but, you know, the box itself was giving off neutrals. So those are 2 full sets already. 2 full sets. That's amazing. Oh, what's the name of this one? Floral and Forever. That matches the box for sure. Oh my gosh. That glitter. Oh! I'm a glitter girl, so I must admit that the glitter is really hitting me. Oh my gosh, that looks like a portrait painting. So that's another French tip, but the way they rounded this edge here, you can also use it as a full nail if you have shorter nails. So not quite full French tip, maybe dual tip is what they call them. Laced in Love. Please tell me it's a lace overlay. Is that a lace overlay? Please. Oh, I love it. I love it. It better be an overlay. Okay, let's look at the pamphlet, because let's see. Hold on. That is 4 full sets there. So value-wise, awesome. Of course, for those that don't like pastel-y colors are not going to gravitate towards this box, but I certainly like it. All right, let's take a look at here. Share with us. Share your Cupid approved manicure on social media and use the hashtag colorplay to show the world your creativity. I keep forgetting to do that every time I use the sub box. I don't know. It's fine. No one needs to see it. But here's Forever Yours colorplay. It does look like it's going to be an overlay. I'm so excited. So excited! In this month's box, roses are red, violets are blue. Colorplay's Forever Yours box is just for you. This box features a sweet blush nude glitter, romantic gradient, and floral designed dual-ended French tips. There we go. And a ravishing lace patterned clear glitter overlay that stole our breath away. I agree. I really love that overlay. Follow one of our looks or create a custom manicure that comes from the heart. And then bonus item, treat yourself to something sweet on us. You'll receive a $10 gift card via email the second week of January 2024. And that's exactly what I got. I got the gift card before I even got my box, Color Street, so you timed that a little bit wrong. But I digress. Meet the strips. Vanilla Romance, 2 sheets of 8 finger strips glitter. We're head over heels for this blush nude glitter. Yes, I'm excited to use that one. Delicate Desire, 2 sheets of 8 finger strips, Prism FX design, dual-ended French tips. All you need is love and these romantic gradient dual-ended French tips. Laced in Love, 2 sheets of 8 finger strips, clear glitter design. Yes! Oh man, now I almost wish I had 2 of the boxes. Find yourself laced in love wearing this clear glitter overlay with a crochet pattern over your manicure. Yes, and I like that they almost have exactly enough for me to use just this one with the tips here. Or if I had really short nails, which I do right now, they're still pretty short. And this manicure's lasted a whole week, you guys. I didn't want to take it off because I really love the Mint to Be and the Favorite Flannel. There is a little bit of wear and tear on it, but still, it's holding up for an old retired set. It's doing fabulous. But I will pretty soon change my mani, so stay tuned. There will be a mixed mani coming to you soon. If not tomorrow, then probably Wednesday. But laced in love. Back to this. Find yourself laced in love wearing this clear glitter overlay with a crochet pattern over your manicure. I think I already read that, so sorry for the deja vu there, folks. Floral and Forever. 2 sheets of 8 finger strips, Prism FX design, dual-ended French tips. Bliss is in bloom, and so is this floral light mauve dual-ended French tips. Yes. And then there's one of the designs. Model is wearing Floral and Forever. And model on the front cover is wearing Laced in Love and Delicate Desire. And the model on the back cover is wearing Delicate Desire. There's Delicate Desire right there. Hey! What? Color Street, what are you doing? What are you doing? You changed it up on us. There is no 3 ways. Where's the 3 ways on the pamphlet? Well, model is wearing Vanilla Romance up top, so I guess Vanilla Romance by itself. And then model is wearing Delicate Desire and Laced in Love over here on this side. And then model is wearing Delicate Desire and Floral and Forever. And then model is wearing Laced in Love and Floral and Forever. But seriously, dude, where's the little QR code for the videos of the models putting on the manis? What? They're changing it up on us. In 2024, Color Street's changing things up on us. Alright, but that, my friends, are the 4 sets and $10 e-gift card to use on more sets. And they're coming out, you guys, with the high gloss lip oil. So if you guys watched my unboxing of the December Color Street Color Play box, you would have seen that the December box included a high gloss lip oil. Well, Color Street on Tuesday, January the 16th, so right after Martin Luther King Day, they're coming out with the high gloss. And I really want mocha. So Color Street's only allowing a purchase of one high gloss lip oil per color that they have. So I need to hurry up and get mocha, because mocha's the one. But if I had to get other colors, it'll likely be mocha, and then blackberry, and then cherry. Those are my top 3. So I don't know how others will take it and how they'll sell, but the other colors besides those, there's a hot pink one that's called Flamingo, and there is one called Bear that is like a very nude color, neutral color, and then there's a clear. So I don't really care for those, but I definitely want mocha and maybe blackberry, maybe cherry. But that's it, my friends. So I will see you all next time for a mixed Manny chat, because oh, excuse me, as I said, I'm a little under the weather. I apologize, whoever's listening using headphones. That cough and / sneeze would have blown your ears out. My bad. But I don't want to take this Manny off, but I know I have to soon. And Shannon in her Facebook group this month has January Nelfies, where there's a bonus challenge using gray gradient, I think was what it said, or grayscale or something like that. So I have a mixed Manny ready for that coming up next in the next couple of days, if not tomorrow. So until then, y'all, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.